The whole framework of energy, work, and love have been this amazing 3-pillar system. It gives me the confidence that I get to work with people on all the areas of their life. Anything that I'm an expert in and have been trained in and have experienced in my life, I can bring and support people through the Heroic platform. I am Sue Primmer. I found Heroic around 2017. I am a member of Heroic Coach Class 1 and a reboot through Heroic Coach Class 20, and also a Heroic Public Corporation investor, and now a Class 1 Workshop Instructor candidate. So to give you a little background about my story, about 12 years ago, I was in a downward spiral and saw the signs that I would be headed toward deeper depression into suicidal ideation, and didn't like that path and didn't want to go down that again. So decided to work on my health, made that a top priority. It was something within my control. Joined a strength gym. Within 3 months, discovered that I am born to deadlift. Everything I hated about my body is actually a positive attribute to be a deadlifter. Within a year and a half, I had broken a world record in deadlift for my age group and weight class. And this is just the best resource and the best curriculum to use. I know, oh yeah, Brian talked about that in a +1. Let me find it for you. I take 30 seconds, I find it, and then I'm able to share it with my client who can then implement it immediately. This is that extra element that keeps people accountable and creates a structure and a container for them. For me, the Heroic system contains all of the elements that I truly believe are the essence of an amazing life. A lot of programs I've participated in and done have gone really deep in one area, and I feel like there's no direction. What's amazing about this is I really feel that this is the way to support and guide others and myself into the best life to be flourishing in all areas. The Heroic Workshop Facilitation Training blew my mind. Not only was I able to practice and present as a facilitator, I was then coached. Our facilitator for our training was absolutely and totally amazing, just beyond expectation. Right now, I feel 100% confident that I can present a very meaningful and impactful workshop for anybody who attends any of my workshops moving forward. Heroic coaching is the best coaching, the best platform, the best foundation, the best framework, and the best people. And I keep coming back to it, so I am all in and committed. So I signed up as a lifelong Heroic performance coach.